Hey guys, Dave here. I thought I'd just do this quick tutorial on how to do or how to simplify or just simplify the rotator submission process and just do a quick launch jack. So before I get started, this is a website I use. It's free to use. It's called wordcounter.net. You can just store all your information on there, and if you come out of that, you can come back in and it saves, so you don't have no issues losing that information. So before you get started, make sure, here's what I recommend: make sure you've got your bonus page banner, you've got your profile image, you've got your affiliate link, bonus delivery URL. Yep. So once you've got all those in place, we can get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to apply for your affiliate link. So let's just run through let's just pick something on the rotator that we can do, and I'm going to choose this one because I've already started this. So here's what you would do: you go to guides, you would go to here, wherever it's gone, and you would open up the doc. So this one here, you open up this doc. Okay, so just for quick reference, you can always save this doc in here, you can always save that in there, and you can come back to it anytime. So this is what you want to do. So the first thing you want to do is go and apply for your affiliate link. That's the first thing you need to do. So go into the doc, go and apply for your affiliate link. Yep, once that's done, next step, download the demo video. So we want to come onto here. What we want to do, here's the demo video. We're just going to download this, and we're going to hit download, hit 720, download. Yeah, once that's downloaded, let me just drag that onto my desktop. I'm going to put that there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename this file. Right click, rename, and call it, let's call this review demo. I'm just going to call this review demo and bonuses. Yep, you can call this whatever you want, it's totally up to you. Yep, once that's done, what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to upload this video straight to YouTube. I'm going to get this out of the way. Oops, let me get back to my word counter. So the next one is download it and upload it. Yep, just get this out of the way. So if you're doing a rotator, simply just go do this, just upload your video, select, find where you've saved it, let's go where we are, just go upload. You can make it unlisted, copy the link, just go next, next, make it unlisted, next, and then go back to your doc, save your YouTube video link. Done. We can come back to that anytime and update that. Okay, so you can come back to that and update that. Next thing, let's go to Commission Gorilla, grab the import code, copy that. Let's go to my pages. I'm going to import. So just let this load up. Or did I click it? Let's try again. Paste in the import code. While that's loading, grab your affiliate link. So once you've been approved, put your affiliate link in the doc. So we're going to change this. Let me just pull this over. We're going to change this to wizard. To wizard. Oops, let's get this right. Wizard. And what you're going to do is you're going to remove this link, remove that link, and you're going to paste in your affiliate link in there and in there. Done. Highlight this text, click the little insert edit link, remove this one, paste, click OK. Now go back to here, and if you've got your banner already done, if you want one of these, just contact me and I'll do one. Go to the little cog, remove this image, and paste that one in. Oops, darn it. Remove that, paste that one in, click OK. That's going to change that. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you're going to edit all this. Me, I like it in the middle, so the first thing I want to do is I want to change my name. Finn, yep. You can put in your own website as well, it's totally up to you, or your affiliate link, YouTube link. Let's just put FinnReviews.com. I just want to display that. Copy, paste. Yep, that's done. Now for this image, you should have got your profile image link. Just go copy that, go into here, put your mouse. You can just click on that and delete. Yep, just leave a bit of space. Put your cursor and make sure it's in the middle. So just make sure you've got the aligned center. Hit the insert image and paste in your image, and you can resize that to however you want. That's it. That's the bonus page done. Done, done, done. Save and exit. All you need, if you're doing a rotator, all you need is this link. If you're doing this outside the rotator, you're going to need that link as well. So just save that link. We're going to save the link in here. That's the bonus page. What we can do now is we can go back to the video in a minute, and we can do that. So we're done with Commission Gorilla. Next step, YouTube. Let's go back to YouTube. Let's go edit. Let me just get rid of all that. Let's get rid of that and copy, paste, get wizard revenue posters. Right. I'm just doing this as a quick demo, just to show you how to quickly get this up and running. So when you get to this point, what you need to do is you go into the training. You can go into the group. Let me just open another page, make it easy. Go into the group, Facebook group, and what you want to do is you want to go to Files, and you see where it says YouTube default description. Just click on that, and then click on that, and it's going to download this file. Just open that, and you can copy all this, blah blah blah. And what you're going to need to do is follow the training. Follow the training for that. You'd paste all that in there. Follow the training on how to edit all that for your own description. But I'm showing you how just quickly you can just get this thing up and running. So once you've done that, just hit save. And then we're just going to get a thumbnail. So I'm just going to go to Canva, quick thumbnail. Get this out of the way. Let's do this. Let's get rid of this. Delete. I want to change this to wizard bonus or something, whatever it is. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So I'm just going to do this as a quick example. What I like to do is just get this title here. Have I put two? Is it double S, double Z? No, it's right. That's right. Donut. Come back. Just paste that into there. And I'm just going to get this image. I don't know what wizard's about. Let me just get this wizard. So create, yeah, so I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that underneath there. And then I'm going to copy the whole thing. Oh my days, what's going on? Create affiliate marketing in minutes without prior experience. Yep. I'm just going to put that in my thumbnail. You can write pretty much whatever you want in here. I'm just doing this just as an example on showing you how to just quickly do a thumbnail. This one, the product box, which is going to be, have we got wizard? Let's go back here. Let's go and get the let's go get the sales page. So basically what we'll do is we'll go here, find the product image. There we go. I'm going to save image as, go desktop, save, and the quick way of doing this is that's going to save there. Go back into Canva, and then just once it's on uploads, just drag that straight in. So I'm going to change this to kind of like a blue. Let's go that way. Yeah, I'm going to change that to, oops, wrong one. Change it to a blue. Don't know what's underneath there. Let's get rid of that. Let's delete that. Yep. Anyway, just drag that in. Just make it real simple. And then we're just going to get this. What the hell? Jeez. What the hell? We're just going to copy this. Copy that. And we're going to change the name there. I'm going to paste. I'm going to download as a JPEG. Blah blah blah. Download. Obviously I'm just rushing this for you guys, so we're going to come out of there, we're going to come out of there, we don't need that, and I don't need that, so let me just come out of there. I'm going to drag that onto the desktop, then I'm going to add a thumbnail there, done, and we can go save. Yep, so we can go save. So once that's all done, everything's in place. Let me get rid of all this. Once that's all done, so you've got your affiliate link done, you've got that, you've got the YouTube stuff up all done, so you'll have all your description done. You've inserted the link into your bonus page, and you just need to do the screenshot. So basically this is how this works. So go into the doc. We're just going to copy this link. So if you're on the Rotator, you need to use this link. If you're not on the Rotator, you use your own bonus delivery link. So basically you'd go back to Warrior Plus, you'd hit link details, you'd paste that in there, you'd take a screenshot, you'd hit save. And that's done. And once you've got your screenshot, then you can go submit all that information. So you've got your YouTube video, you've got your affiliate link, you put in your Warrior Plus ID, you've got your image. Just go back to here, comment, and then just post all that information in there just like that. That's it, done and dusted. Let me just send that public just for the laugh. I'm going to hit done and save, and I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to come out of that. I'm just going to go into an incognito window, and I'm going to go to YouTube. I'll get rid of this rubbish. I'm going to paste that into there, and we're going to leave it and just wait for this video. Oh, in fact it's there, 18 seconds ago. So we got that to the top of Google in like 18 seconds. Yep, it's not going to stay there, but just got to show you how that works. So 18 seconds, boom, beat that. If anybody can beat that, I'll give you $100. Right guys, any questions, let me know.